Hey everyone, welcome back to the next instalment of the Route 4 Lite CNC build. In the previous episode we did the X carriage assembly and Z axis, and in this one we're going to continue working on the Y axis mounted to the baseboard and then bring in the gantry to it. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy it. Right, quick update. So what we've done is got the Y-axis box section installed and mounted down to the base, nice and solid. I've also got the tape measure out and make sure they are running parallel. I'm not too worried if one's offset in that axis, as we will accommodate for that discrepancy in software. So yeah, it's looking good. All we need to do is get the carriage, or the gantry shall I say, mounted to the Y-axis. Just an update, we've now got the carriages on the Y-axis. I think I made a mistake. I should have put them on first rather than having to fiddle around underneath it, So if you're making one, make sure you do the carriages up on the box section before fitting these end clamps and then mounting it to the board. I think that'd be a much better way than the way I've just done it and struggling to get it all tightened down. But they're a bit nice and snug, no play in them whatsoever, so that's nice. So now it's time to get the gantry installed on the Y-axis. Right, so that's it for this episode. What we managed to achieve was to get the gantry mounted to the Y-axis and that mounted to the baseboard. In the next episode we'll continue putting the ball screws on the Y-axis and then mounting motors and seeing where we get to. Hope you enjoy the build. It's looking really good at the moment, and stay tuned for the next instalment. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye!